Hey everyone, it's Sophia, and today I'm excited to bring you along on a leisurely beach walk. If you enjoy this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Your support helps me create more content like this, and I truly appreciate it. As we meander along the picturesque shoreline, the beauty of the ocean is impossible to ignore. The water is a dazzling shade of blue, and the gentle waves produce a calming atmosphere. The sand beneath our feet is soft and warm, making every step a delight. I can see that there's a lively crowd enjoying the beach today. Families, friends, and couples are all sharing this lovely space, creating wonderful memories together. The air is filled with laughter and the cheerful sounds of people having a great time. While we continue our walk, let's discuss some fascinating beach trivia. Did you know that the world's longest beach is Praia do Cassino in Brazil, stretching over 150 miles? Imagine how long it would take to walk from one end to the other. Another intriguing fact is that beaches are home to an incredible array of wildlife. From the tiniest sand crabs scurrying along the shore to the majestic seabirds soaring overhead, there's always something to discover and appreciate. As we conclude our beach walk today, I hope you've enjoyed this calming and scenic experience. Remember to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below, sharing your thoughts or suggesting other beautiful locations you'd like me to explore. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in my next video.